Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT Tab 10, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, before I get started, I will mention one additional thing, that this process removes things like screen lock. So if you have a screen lock that you don't know, then you can get rid of it. Now, as you can see, I do have a pattern set, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I wouldn't know it. So number one, you want to hold power key and select power off. Once the tablet turns off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. I'm gonna let go of the power key just in case the phone might restart, so I'm still holding volume up. And there we go. As you can see, it booted into the recovery mode. So that is where we need it to be. Now from here, you will need to use volume keys to navigate up and down. And with that in mind, you wanna scroll down to wipe wipe data factory reset. There we go. Once you manage to select it, and then confirm it with power key. Now next thing, select factory data reset. There we go. Confirm that, and it should begin wiping all the data. Now normally the tablet doesn't actually turn off, so I'm assuming it already automatically decides to reboot as well. Oh no, never mind, it just gives you no message. Anyway, assuming it's finished, you can now press power key once more to just reboot the device, and hopefully it will continue what it's supposed to do in the background, and once it's finished, we then should be greeted with the Android setup screen. But I guess we'll see once we boot fully up. So as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your tablet however you like. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.